Hi guys, so today we just saved a birdie when I dropped my kids, my brother and sister's school. This is the birdie I saved.
Why did you save it? What was wrong with it?
Because there was two of them, but the first one we picked up, Dad picked it. It got hit on the window place building, and then it died.
No, it was frozen. Dad said it was frozen, right?
Yeah, this one was frozen.
You guys picked this one because it was really cold and you didn't want it to freeze like the other one.
Yes.
So you brought this one home.
And this one's still alive.
And it's still alive. It drank some water. Let me see.
This is it.
So we put it in this thing, this little stroller that we have for our cat.
And
there's that little birdie.
And it's a little shy.
And it looks fine because it moved. It was sitting in the front. And what'd you guys do? Give it some water? That's really cute.
Yeah, and that's
that's
rice right there.
And you gave it some rice.
And that's water.
Yeah,
and that's
okay.
It looks like a caramel, but it's not.
What is it?
It's pee.
It's pee-pee?
And this is the little cutie.
And why are you getting
guys,
wild?
I'm gonna test this. Guys, I'm gonna test it.
You wanna pet it?
Yeah.
It's very soft. Okay, yo, Diva. What you doing? It's a birdie.
It's really cute.
You wanna smell it? Look, she's so excited. My God.
Guys,
look, Diva's so excited.
Guys, I want to throw the water on his and he's really nice and fresh because he's...
No, you can't put water on birds.
No, look.
Birds don't like water. They don't like it when you do that.
Wait, what do you mean?
What's up? Look at her all wiggling.
Guys,
Can I pet it?
Guys, touch.
Can I smell it?
Guys, touch it. How so cute.
Well, nobody else is touching it but you.
Ah.
It's so fluffy. I love it. So fluffy. All right.
Oh, it moved it.
No, we're moving it.
Oh, it moved. Did you see the head that I shoot though?
Hi, birdie.
Yes, look.
Hi, nanny patata.
Oh my
so
God.
Cute. Look. Yep, I saw the eyes move. Oh, the head's moving.
Yes.
Oh yeah, it's saying yes. Thank you very much. Okay.
Okay, guys.
Oh, it moved.
Yeah. Oh,
it's so cute.
The back of his feathers on the back, who's sticking out, is very soft.
Let's be careful because as soon as it gets its energy, it's gonna fly everywhere.
Yeah, it's gonna fly and hit your camera, guys. If you get hit, comment down below.
Well, let's cover it for now.
Yeah, because
we don't want it going all over the house.
guys. So that's our video.
And this is Diva.
Yeah.
And this is the cute little puppy we have.
This is.
And this is a cute little puppy.
This is
Do you want to smell the birdie?
This is our first birdie. We never had a birdie before.
Actually, we did.
Wait,
when
what?
you were not born, we rescued a bird last time.
Oh yeah.
We have a picture. We didn't make any videos of it. But yeah, this is our second rescue bird.
Yeah.
The other one, we took it to a wildlife sanctuary. And that one was injured. And then they made it better. And then I don't know what they did with it.
He let it go.
What you doing?
He actually let it go.
What you doing?
He actually put it in Petco. Hey guys, if you heard from Petco, that's what
The birds don't go to Petco.
Yeah.
No, they don't.
Yes, they do.
No, they don't. They let it go free. Once they make it better, then they let them go so they can fly.
I'm going back to Petco. Okay, I'm back.
It's not a thing.
This
It's a bird.
Oh,
What did you name it?
Daisy.
Daisy. Oh, it's a girl bird.
Oh, it looks.
Oh, it's moving its head. Okay, that's enough now.
Tweet.
No tweet. It's gonna come out.
It moved it.
You moved it. Oh, stop it.
Oh, it's moving.
Uh-oh, it's gonna come out and fly. I think maybe one of the feet is stuck in the tissue.
Yeah, what? What about that?
Because it has nails, right? I think one nail may be stuck in the tissue.
Hey guys, do you know I can speak, buddy?
Can you move?
Buddy,
Mr. Bird-speaking boy, can you come over here?
What are you trying to say? He's saying he don't want to be.
Daisy's trying to tell you,
I
can
mean,
you leave me alone?
No,
and go away.
Daisy wants us to go. Oh, Daisy wants me to pet her more.
No, she's saying thank you very much for petting me. Now go away so I can relax.
I want to.
And are you guys gonna let me free or not?
Oh,
Are you not gonna go away
oh
now?
my god, I put the beacons down. It was very like thick and like look, plastic. And it like bricky.
Beak. It's a cutie pie.
Ooh, I wish I had magic where I put it like ice.
No, this is not a magic bird.
I like a move it like move.
Yeah,
it.
on a stick.
Yeah, no, on a video. Okay.
Oh, I can see it. Stop putting your finger in front. There it is.
Ooh.
All right, mister. Time to go bye-bye. Do your happy dance.
Okay.
Where's your happy dance? Get down. Get down. I cannot do it there. No. That's your happy dance? You falling.